Peace and love to all the new subscribers, old subscribers, doesn't really matter. Today's video is sponsored by Foot's Kick. And remember, this video is 100% educational purposes only. I don't condone selling fakes, UAs, whatever you want to call them. So let's just jump right into it. Today we have the Strange Loves. And the Strange Loves, they come from a skate shop in Cali. They did a collaboration with Nike, and the shoe turned out pretty well. It released close to Valentine's Day, or maybe on Valentine's Day, as a quick strike, and I think they retailed for only $100 from when I was doing the research. Foot's Kick actually got me these shoes in about 13 days. So to me, 13 days is normal shipping at this point. So shout out to you, Foot's Kick. You guys can already see there's this crazy box. It matches the deck that I just showed a little earlier. And it was really hard getting the shoes out of this pink box. So I'll just go ahead and jump to that. But there's a lot of details in it. It looks dope. Quick little note, go ahead and make sure you follow me on Instagram if you have any questions about shipping experiences, or you just want to share some of your experiences with me from buying these type of sneakers. So let's move on. But make sure you follow me. So back to the shoes, or the box at least. We have Strange Love on that side. That's kind of their company logo text. That's more of the red and blue heart skull that they like to use on their designs. Like I said, the packaging was very, very elaborate. Let's go ahead and get them out of the box. And as you can see, it has this very elaborate box that is the heart skull. And my thoughts on that, it just looks crazy. Nike SB on that side. Always thought it was pretty interesting, like packages like this. It's one thing you have to replicate the shoe, and now you have to actually replicate the box in its whole presentation. So I went with a size 10. I'm a size 10 in any kind of dunks for some reason. It doesn't match the Air Jordan 1. It's not the same. So the box is the traditional SB box. It's got that sea foam color. All right, let's get an official look at what these look like. My first thoughts when I seen them, I was like, okay, that definitely looks like something like a female shoe, woman's shoe, and very Valentine's Day-ish. But something about it was like, well, since I'm doing the crazy shoes, I might as well get this pair. So again, Foot's Kick was nice enough to send these to me for free. Let's take a look at some of the accessories. You got the heart skull there again. And I don't know if that's coming from a movie or not, or where they took that from. Somebody that knows, please let me know in the comments. This is the back of the card. And at the bottom there's a little message that says, P.S. in exchange for your cash money, we'll send you some hot blank stickers. Nice. That's like a Valentine's Day card you'd give with candy back when you were like a little kid. It's got the to, from, it says soulmate on there. I don't know how authentic the accessories are, but it looks like they did a good job of getting them in the box. We have the white laces with Strange Love on the tips. It's really hard for my camera to capture that part. Then we have these very Valentine's Day-ish laces that I don't personally like, but I'll put them in the shoe so you guys can see what they look like laced into the shoe. Just taking a quick peek at the overall shoe. It's made out of some type of white satin. Then we have, it looks like suede around the toe box. The other side is the same thing. It has like this really nice feel to them. They're really, really soft, and they're a little lighter, in my opinion, to other SBs. And maybe because the materials are lighter. Here's the shots at the bottoms. They have little hearts on the bottom. So again, it's a really kind of a girly shoe, but in these days, I guess it doesn't really matter. I like them personally. I figured I could pull them off. The insides are really soft. There's one insole, and it's got the Zoom Air that I love. And it even has that little black squishy part, foamy part on the forefoot that I love. That's the left insole. That one has a bit more graphic art with the Strange Love signature design. Here's another look at both of them. Just some close-ups to try to take a look at some of the quality. This is what they look like with no shoelaces in them. And I think Foot's Kick did a pretty good job on the upper, the white toe box. That flips over. Strange Love skull. Take a look at the stitching on the heel. I think it looks pretty good. There's no way my camera could capture that. I see a little bit of glue around the toe box. Nothing too crazy. Here's a look at the laces I don't really prefer. They look okay, just not for me. So when we did the on feet, it was a busy day. Comac and I were out. We went to several stores to try to get some shots. It was a long day, so I kind of went to multiple places while doing this. And again, I would say these fit more true to size to a real dunk. So if you wear 10 in a dunk, wear 10 from Foot's Kick. And guys, it's really important that you don't ask for specific information like sales and that type of. Try not to get too deep in the YouTube comments. That's sort of an issue. Again, I'm a nice guy. Most of the time you can reach out to me on Instagram. I'm trying to get back into my Twitter game, so hit me up on Twitter if that's your preferred method of communication. Feel free to do that, but try to stay away from specifics too much in the YouTube comments. As far as styling these, as you can see, I don't really know how to style very well, and I'll pretty much wear these shoes with anything. I don't care if they're freaking hot pink and another pink, and I'll wear them with pretty much whatever, especially just to show you guys what they may look like on feet. Now, I think these will probably look good with like maybe even camo pants. So if you have any other style expertise, please let me know in the comments what would be dope. A lot of you guys did that on my Yeezy foam runner video, which was dope. So I love the comments, by the way. I try to answer every single comment. I try to answer every single DM. And again, if you have any other sneakers that you want me to try to get my hands on and do a detailed review, just let me know. Just shoot me a little message, say, hey, what about these? Have you seen these? It doesn't matter. The perspective of looking down at your feet, which is probably the view that you get most throughout your day. But again, styling these, I'm not sure. It's going to be a bit challenging. You're pretty much safe with anything with joggers, but I would experiment with maybe some skinnies. I don't really skateboard that much or that well, so I probably won't. I'll probably longboard in these, but we'll see. I'm not actually sure what I'm going to do with them because I don't really want to keep like the box or anything like that. So I don't know. I might give them away. Who knows? But I do appreciate you guys as always. Please subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll catch you on the next one. I have plenty more, so just hang in there and stay tuned. Peace.